Hi, in today's class we'll see how to configure Git. Let's open Git bash. Once you open Git bash, you need to configure Git with your name and email address. So the command git config hyphen global user dot name and your name. So once you are done with username, you need to configure your email address. So git config global user dot email, the email address you use to create your GitHub account. So the account which you have signed up using your email address for GitHub. So once this is done, you need to generate your SSH key. So SSH key is used to communicate between your local Git and a GitHub account. So in order to push and pull your changes, you need to have your SSH key configured. So how do we do that? SSH hyphen keygen. So this is a command to create a SSH key. So just follow the on-screen commands. Once the SSH key is generated, you need to copy your public key into your GitHub account. So how to copy? Cat is a command to display the content of a file. So usually your public key is stored in your home directory. Home directory shortcut is your tilde symbol, which is below escape character. So tilde slash dot ssh slash. So the public key name is saved here. So you can search for your public key has been saved. You can either copy the complete location or you can use tilde for your home directory. So from C colon till here it is called as your home directory dot ssh and your public key. It may vary depending on your system. Like for me it is id underscore rsa. So I'll be using that file name dot pub. Make sure you only upload public key, not the private key. So there are two keys. One is id underscore rsa is your private key. Id underscore rsa dot pub is your public key. So I'm displaying the content of public key. Copy it. The size may vary depending on what type of public key you're using. For others, you may see only single line. For few, you may see more than 10 lines. So depending on whatever it is, you can copy it. Just copy this. So in GitLab, selection is copy. No need to use Control C. Just copy this. Just select and it is copied. Now go to your GitHub account. Go to settings. Go to SSH and GPG public key. I already had a old key. I'll delete this. So new SSH key. My key. Whatever name you want, you can add it. My key, and I'll add my SSH key. Add SSH key. So it may ask you to confirm your password. Just confirm it. Done. Your key is added. Thank you.